Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new Emerson knife that I got for my collection. This will be the Emerson knives Appalachian outdoorsman knife. This is the CF, so stone-washed satin configuration. The box is a little bit beat up because this is a pre-owned knife and a nice sticker. Let's put it here. Usually I have to get these knives from personal collections from people on forums and private sales, because it's still problematic in 2026 to order knives directly, and some of them of course are not in production. So this one, when it came up, thanks to my good friend who helped me out, I jumped on it because, as you know, one of my first Emerson knives that I bought was a kosher version of this one here, but I will be talking about that a little bit later. So this knife was released in 2015. Probably as a part of the signature series. Usually the first run is made, and then after the popularity is high enough, then Emerson produces a regular production batch. So this was a regular production batch. As you can see, no year on this one. Let me give you the specification really quickly. So we have an over length of 22 centimeters, that is 8.6 inches. The blade length is 9.5 centimeters, 3.7 inches. Blade width 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. Thickness 3.1 millimeters, 0.12 inches. Hand length 12.4 centimeters or 4.9 inches, with a thickness of 1.4 centimeters or 0.5 inches. That is measured without the width of the pocket clip. The blade is made out of 154 cm. It is a beautiful clip point profile blade with a combination of stone washed and satin finish. It has the standard Emerson V ground blade with the chisel edge on it. Just look at the nasty pointer right there, and super sturdy tip. So the handles are made out of Emerson's coarse G10. Liners are 6AL4V titanium, of course. Pivot assembly, it rides on Nylatron washers with a nylon impregnated with silicone to be self-lubricating and don't require any maintenance, of course. Pocket clip is your standard Benchmade type 3-hole 3-screw pocket clip, which is only stamped out and has medium traction on it. We have those nice large or wide spacers here. The knife has a really nice sharpening choil right there. Opening method is obviously the standard here, so Emerson thumb disc opener and wave feature. The ergonomics of Emerson's are always great. That is the same also with this one here. We have a nice rounded butt here to facilitate really great grip here. I have XL size hands, so this fits really well. The weight is 151.3 grams or 5.3 ounces. Obviously, these and all Emerson knives are made in the United States. So now let me show you the pocket profile very quickly here. So this is how much it will be sticking out. See the sharpness here. This is a pre-owned knife, but kept in pristine condition. So yeah, this is crazy sharp. Previous user probably never used it for any heavy cutting tasks. Okay, so now let's see the size comparisons between, like I mentioned, the Benchmade Kershaw. So the Kershaw was released in 2017. This is the Kershaw CQC 10K. Model number is 6030. The price was around $64, $65, and also the same in euros. Unfortunately, this model was discontinued in 2024, so it had a good run. I would suggest it was also really popular because it was one of those beautiful bowie shapes that translated from the original to the Chinese production. Emerson knives gave the blessing, so these could be produced with the budget conscious price in mind. The biggest difference is, of course, the Kershaw is a frame lock and has a really nice skull shape, pocket clip, and green G10 scales. Okay, so unfortunately these are not available anymore, but if you are look around, like I mentioned, these were discontinued a year ago, so by now 2 years ago or 1 year and a couple of months, depending on when you're watching this video. But I would suggest check out your favorite dealer, maybe look online. They maybe should be still available since these were mass produced, but unfortunately they are not available anymore directly. Now let me show you a few size comparisons. So let's bring out the first bowie blade design. Is the CQC 13 from Emerson. Let's bring out a couple of more. So here is the Keck. Then let's bring out the Sheepdog. H100. Now let's continue with some well-known models. So here is the CQC 7, of course, the venerable CQC 7. Let's put in the full-size Commander. CQC 8. Combat Systems Fighter. Here's the Tiger. Now let's continue with some more known knives that you probably own. Here is the Spyderco Endura and also Delica. Two great workhorse knives that everybody should own or experience. Another venerable design, outdoors design, the Red Model 1. $940 from Benchmade. If you're not able to access any Emerson knives, then the next best thing I would recommend, obviously, always is the Recon 1 series from Cold Steel. These are widely available in different steels and different blade configurations. This is the clip point one. There is also drop point, also Tanto.
you are getting basically the Emerson DNA in these knives that are available at basically around half the price. I forgot to mention that the MSRP, or the direct price from Emerson, is around 254 or 255 US dollars. 710, also old venerable design from Benchmade, McHenry and Williams design. So here is the Reptilian, the large Reptilian, of course. Let's see, another known design, the Paramilitary 2 Crew Carta series. So Crew wear steel and micarta scales. Let's see some couple budget offerings. So this is the Burger Plus Keyhone, the knife stock exclusive, full size feldspar from CGRB. Another beautiful clip point profile blade, the Vector from Petrified Fish. Real Steel Griffin Pro. Ace Grant Giant Mouse. See the Neff's Lander 2, the limited edition clip point and paper micarta version. Bucksprint Pro, beautiful barrel micarta scales. CGRB Pyrite Bowie. The standard bug out, Benchmade. Kaiserberg lighter. And also do the CVV Elementum. QS Big Penguin. Roasted Raccoon. These are now also available with a beautiful clip point profile blade. Let's do also a Sharpie here. And the humble Peanut from Rough Rider. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so overall I must say I'm really happy that I was able to purchase another Emerson for my collection. Obviously the beautiful clip point profile is one of those iconic American shapes you can have on your knife, and I'm pretty sure that Mr. Ernest Emerson does love the Bowie shape and has it on quite few knives. So I'm really happy to have this one also in the collection. With that being said, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate your time. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.